Namaskar, I'm Dr. Asit Arora. I'm a cancer specialist, a GI and HPP oncosurgeon to be specific. So through this video, I would like to reach out to you guys for cancer awareness. Cancer is probably the most enigmatic disease that we are facing right now, and one of the most deadliest also of our present times. Now, why this exponential rise of cancer is happening, and is there anything we can do to prevent it? So cancer basically occurs because of 4 or 5 important reasons. So let me narrate you those. So firstly, cancer is very closely related to aging process. As you grow old, there are more and more chances of you getting cancer. So cancer is essentially a disease of old age. And as you know, our population is increasing, and so is our life expectancy. So we are finding more and more elderly people in our population amongst us, and that's why there is a natural rise of increase in cancer cases. Secondly, it is related to our lifestyle. You know, we have been eating more and more. There is abundance of food, and we basically are suffering from excess of calories and nutrition nowadays, and this is leading to an epidemic of obesity. You all know that obesity is linked to various lifestyle diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and heart diseases. But what you may not be knowing is that obesity is an important cause of cancer. Some of the cancers like endometrial cancer or the cancer of the uterus in females, obesity amounts for almost 30% of these cancers. Similarly, breast cancer and colon cancer, almost close to 8 to 9% of these cancers are attributable only to obesity. Thirdly is a lack of physical activity, which also contributes to these increasing risk of cancer. Now, as we have more and more facilities to us, machines to do our work, our physical activity is reducing by the day, and this is leading to adding on to the problem of cancer. Addiction rates. Now, addiction is increasing in our population, both in young and elderly, both in men and women. We are smoking more than we used to before. Alcohol consumption is increasing every day. Smoking, you must be aware, all of you, that smoking is related to a lot of cancers, be it oral cancer, be it lung cancer, be it esophageal cancer, stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer. You can name n number of cancers. What you may not be knowing is that alcohol is also a very important cause of cancer. Almost 10 cancers in human body are very closely related to alcohol intake. So we have to be very much aware of the symptomatology of cancer, and we should not ignore these subtle symptoms. Now, cancer symptoms can be as varied as or as serious as bleeding from your mouth or from your stools, or it can be as simple or as vague as mild dyspepsia or mild aches in your body. But there are some warning signs that we should all be aware of. Any lumps or bumps that you see which are increasing in size, for example in your breast or in any visible part of your body. If you see unexpected weight loss, or you are experiencing loss of appetite that you can't account for, if your abdomen is giving you trouble, if you're having difficulty in passing bowel, or if there's a lot of distension in your abdomen, it's bloating sensation, if there is any difficulty in swallowing, if there's stickiness, if there is jaundice, these are some warning signs and you should not ignore them. It's very important to detect cancer in its early phase, because if you detect cancer early, cancer can be curative. You know, cancer does not mean a death sentence. Cancer, there are a lot of success stories in cancer. There are many cancers today whom we can cure. So these are few things that as an individual you can do, and also as a society we can do to fight from this. And this, yes, knowing about the symptoms of cancer and not ignoring them, and consulting a specialist will take care of rest of the things. Thank you. Hope I have given you some advice which will help you in your life. Thank you so much. Namaskar.